Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please stop the music.
I'm trying to make sure you can hear me.
You have nice background picture.
I think my shit is waterproof.
Can you show me around you?
What?
I said, can you show me that swimming pool? Oh, oh, very nice.
Yeah,
So, where are you from?
yeah, this shit, the thing I'm holding,
Oh,
dropped
so
in the
sweet.
pool and started sinking down.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
So, can,
that's why I was asking, can you hear me? Because my phone just fell in the
oh, so
pool.
sad. You have nice nose, a hot lip. It means you are European girl, right?
What?
Are you from Europe?
From where?
Europe?
Uh,
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Listen to me, please. Listen to me. You looking, you you looking so beautiful.